Hi, today I would like to show you top 5 plug and play crypto mining devices for passive income in 2022. Yeah, this video is going to be awesome. You just stay with me. I'm going to show you how you can make money mining crypto. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to show you 5. So the number 5th positions we are looking for the 5th devices. So we will gradually go to the top one. So the 5th place, I'm going to show you the device, plug and play device, which is MatchX. Yes, this is the site, which is matchx.io. This is the crypto mining devices, which is really, you can see this is the device MatchX, and you can get that product and you do not have to worry about anything. Just simply plug and play and you can earn crypto. So this is the first device, and which you can see the more details of it in these websites. You can go through and you can learn more about it, how to install it, how to, but this is very easy in comparisons to all of it. And I'm going to I have prepared some comparison charts for all these files, but let me introduce you 5 of them, then I'm going to show you the comparison charts of it, how it performs, what coins it produce, and what was the way, what's the investment, and what's the return on investment, and on what how far it will take to break even and into the profit zone. So simply stay with me. So this is the number 5th positions I on my recommendation, on my list. I'm not recommend, it's an overall process. It's just in my opinion, this is the 5th place of MatchX. MatchX is in the 5th place. So the 4th one that I'm going to show, which is also a really plug and play a device which can mine crypto for you, and which is Awair Element. Yes, this is the site. You just go over to getawair.com and you are going to see this is the device. This is a really good system. It's called Awair Element, and this is really awesome. It's an air quality monitoring devices that will show and display the overall air quality around your environment, and it will generate, or it will mine crypto for that, and according to that basis. So simply, this is the site, this is the product. You can see more about it in it. And then I'm going to move into the 3rd place, and which is called Kaiterra Sense edgemini. This is the site. This is called Kaiterra.com. You can go over to these websites and search for like Sense Mini, and it will bring you to this page. So this is Kaiterra Sense Mini device, which is also a really awesome device to work with, and it will earn crypto. So we will go to the details later, but just let me introduce you the top 5 devices that we can look for right now in this year 2022. And I'm going to show you why I selected this ranking. So let me introduce you the comparison charts later. So this is the 3rd devices in the 3rd place on my choice. So in the 2nd place, I choose Helium. Yes, I choose Helium. This is helium.com. Helium.com is the really popular right now. It's, you already heard about it. The other devices that I am showing you so far, it's comparatively new, but Helium is really popular, as you may already heard it. It's a working crypto mining device that you can use right away. But there is some catch, there is some pros, and there is some cons of always. But in my choice, it's in the 2nd place. So you can bring this device to your home and you can mine crypto with that. And the 1st place, I put AirquinoType 1 sensor. So this is the page which is a Planet Watch project. So it can be found in planetwatch.io. This is the websites. You will go over to planetwatch.io, and if you click on buy sensors, and it will show in the first place. This is the device that we are talking about, AirquinoType 1 premium outdoor sensor. This is the device we are looking for. So this is the device. So simply this is in the first place on my list, because I'm going to show you now the comparisons of these 5 plug and play devices. All these are plug and play, and that is why I listed them in my ranking, and why I put Airquino in the first place and all other in the later. So I prepare a spreadsheet of it, and here it is. This is the spreadsheet of it. I showed you MatchX for the first, and this is in the 5th place. I showed you MatchX, and you can see, go over to the website, and if you just scroll down, it will show something like its price. It's on all cost, it will take like $3,000 from your side to get that devices to your home. So MatchX, its cost is $3,000, and it's earning per day. It's a project of its token name is MXC. This is the MXC. So project name is MXC. So it will generate, or it will mine daily of $10 to $15 worth of MXC according to this current price. It's already fluctuating. Market is not always stable. So this is the current price rate, but it may differ. When you're watching this video, it may be different than what I see, what I recommended, what I'm showing here. So it will mine $10 to $15 of MXC tokens daily, and if I calculate on month basis, it will generate $300 for you. So to reach the break even, for the $3,000 investment, or for the cost, you have to wait 10 months to reach and profit. So reach on break even and go through the profit level. So it's a lengthy process. So that is the only cons here. So on the pro side, it's required no location. It's not dependent on location, whether you are living, or the population density of MatchX, and it's not require anything like that. And its setup is very easy. You just simply buy it, bring it, and plug and play, and that's it. You do not need to set up any complexity. You do not need any learning curve to set up this device. So that is it. This is the pros, and this is the cons of MatchX. So then we choose Awair Element. This is in the 4th place. As you can see, this cost much lesser than MatchX. So if you just go over to their site, it's also showing up that it's $299 to cost. So this is the cost of almost $300, and it's a Planet Watch token project. So Awair Element can generate daily on right now current market situations. It will generate $9 of Planet token daily. So it will on month basis it will add up, and it will show like $270 per month. So to reach the break even and into the profit, you have to wait only 2 months for this. So that is a very plus point. That is why I place it on the 4th place. And it's also very easy to set up. You just simply bring it and plug and play, and it's all tension free. It will start mining for you, and then it doesn't need any locations and any the population densities to work with. So in the third positions, it's Kaiterra Sense Mini. So this is the website, this is the device I have showed you, and this product price is like $649 to get. So it's a little costly than Awair Element, but in the other side, it's also a Planet Watch token project, so it will generate more than Awair Element. So it's generating $18 of Planet token every day, and if I just calculate in the month basis, it will right now for $18 a day, it will generate $540 for you per month. But I'm not sure about right now. They are running a decision. They are in the administration level, and they are like to decrease the earning amount right now. So whether you are watching this video, it may change a little bit. So maybe at least you are going to get $360 per month if you just if they just decided to decrease it. So simply, no matter what, it will take 2 months to reach break even and to get to the profit. And obviously it's very easy to set up, and it's not require any learning curve or any difficulties. To just simply plug and play, and it will start mining for you. So also, Planet token doesn't need any, this device doesn't need any location. You do not need any other users around you to get money or to get the power to mine. So simply, this is really awesome, and that is why it's in the third place. And then we move on to the Helium, and Helium is the popular device right now, and it's getting popular day by day. But this cost is around the device, Helium device is cost around $300 to $500, and it depends on various devices. It's like using an antenna. So there are many antenna available in the market. So you choose any you can choose from $300 to $500 products. It's up to you. But on average, all these products can generate you HNT token, which is Helium token, on $30 amount of Helium token daily. But it's purely not, it's not fixed, because the main cons is you need to be in a top tier 1 locations to earn this amount of money. So it really depends on location, whether you are living right now. You have to watch in the Helium map that more people are where more higher tier 1 people, Helium people, are earning their devices from their devices. You have to place your device in that location, or you have to live on that locations to get more earnings from it. If you are distance, if you are living along in an area which is different than tier 1, then your earning will be much less than this. So I recommend you just for looking for the locations, and if you are living in a really good locations, then your earning will be $30 per day. So in a month calculations, you will get $900 per month, more or less, depending on your location. So this is the main cons of it. So, and also the second cons is it's not that easy. It's not that plug and play device. It's simply you can bring it to your home and plug and play, but you need to set up some some settings as well. So you have to go through some learning curves. You have to read some PDFs, you have to read some guides with it. and how to set it up and how to work with these systems. It will not like simple plug and play, it's requires some setup. So that is really the second cons of Helium. But nevertheless, on the basis of the earning potential of Helium, and as Planet token is not like Helium, Helium is already running cryptocurrency, so Planet is not like that. So that is the in comparisons, Helium placed in the second positions, and you can reach your break-even level in within 1 month. So this is awesome. So all these aspects of pros make me bring Helium to the second positions of it. So this is why I choose Helium to in the second positions, and you will get a break even in 1 month. But why AirquinoType sensor is in the first place? So this is the site, this is AirquinoType, this is also a Planet Watch project. Yes, this is a Planet token mining, but you can simply the device cost, you can go through the websites. It's on also air purifier sensor, and you can see that this cost around 1350 to $1949. So $1350 to $1949, it's priced ranged between this. You can bring it on, and because I placed this trade because I in right now it's priced like $1350, but they are in 2022, in this year, in couple of months, they are changing their price. So it may be when you're watching these videos, it may be in like $1949, but that's it. But simply, if you buy this product, it can generate $53 of Planet tokens. So that is why I placed it in the first positions, because whether you buy it from $1300 or $1900, no matter what, it's going to make you $53, more than $50 of Planet token every day. So in comparisons, in a month you can make $1596. So your cost is your investment will be returned within 1 or 2 months. So that's also a plus, and that is and the third thing is, it's also doesn't need any location like Helium. You do not need to be, as Planet token devices always are, you do not need to be in a tier 1 locations to earn good amount of money. You can be anywhere in the world, and you can just simply buy this device, plug and play. Also, this is easy to set up. You do not need any difficult settings, you do not need to set up anything. You simply bring that device, plug it and play it, and that's it. It will start mining, and you will be in break even within 1 to 2 months. So this is why I choose this AirquinoType sensor to the first positions of it. So this is the device. You can I'm just in my opinion, I'm just recommending it, but simply it's up to your decisions. And disclaimer is that I am not an financial advisor of any sort of like that. I'm just a regular user. I just see some information on the net and want to share it to you. So this video is only for education purpose only and for information purpose only. I'm not recommending to invest you any money to anywhere. It's only up to you investment. I'm not an advisor or any investment expert. So simply do your own due diligence, and it's I'm not responsible for your investment or anything. You have to be responsible for your investment or for your money making decision. I am not recommending anything, and these values may tend to change anytime. So it's just a simple right now analysis. It's the current analysis of these devices, and I just showed you how it will perform if you buy it, but I'm not recommending any investment, and I'm not an investment advisor or anything financial advisor or financial recommender, anything like that. So see, this is it, guys. If you are liking this method, if you just simply hit the like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.